how to look expensive and elegant. Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel Glow Up Guide. Do you want to look expensive without spending too much money? Well, today we are diving deep into the world of style, and I'll be sharing some fabulous tips and tricks with you on how to look expensive and elegant in a budget. Looking expensive doesn't necessarily mean spending a money. You can achieve an upscale appearance by focusing on quality, simplicity, and personal care. In addition, elegance is a timeless and refined quality that can be reflected in your appearance and demeanor. It is not just about the clothes you wear, but it's also about how you carry yourself and treat others. It's a combination of style, grooming, and grace, which when executed can make you look and feel elegant. Let's start the video. First, we talk about on clothing. You can create the impression of an expensive look through your clothing choices without breaking the bank. Here are some tips to help you to achieve a high-end appearance. Step 1. Focus on your fit. Tailor your clothes if it is necessary. Also, ensure your clothes fit well and flatter your body shape. Step 2. Neutral colors. Choose a neutral shades like black, white, beige, navy, and gray. These colors look sophisticated and can be easily mixed and matched. Step 3. Minimalist jewelry. Invest in a few quality pieces of minimalist jewelry. Choose simple, elegant designs that can be worn with multiple outfits. Step 4. Structured bags. Choose bags with a structured shape that look attractive. Look for classic styles in neutral colors. Step 5. Quality over quantity. Focus on buying fewer but higher quality items. Prioritize timeless pieces over trendy ones. Step 6. Proper grooming. Maintain a clean and polished appearance in front of others. Regularly groom your nails, hair, and skin. Step 7. Invest in outerwear. A good coat or jacket can elevate any outfit. Choose classic styles like trench coats, blazers, or wool coats. Step 8. Elegant footwear. Choose a classic shoe styles like pumps, loafers, or ankle boots. Keep them clean and in good condition. Step 9. Monochrome outfits. Wearing one color head to toe can look very chic and put together. Experiment with different shades and textures within the same color family. Step 10. Iron your clothes. Wrinkled clothes can look cheap, so always iron or steam your outfits. Pay attention to details like hems and seams. Step 11. Simple makeup. Go for a natural, well-groomed look. Focus on glowing skin, defined brows, and a touch of mascara and lipstick. Step 12. Accessorize wisely. Use scarves, belts, and sunglasses to add a touch of sophistication. Choose accessories that complement your outfit without overpowering it. Step 13. Stay classic. Classic pieces never go out of style. Think little black dress, white button-down shirt, and well-fitted jeans. Step 14. Good posture. Stand tall and carry yourself with confidence. Good posture instantly makes you look more elegant. Step 15. Personalize your style. Develop a signature style that reflects your personality. This could be a particular color, accessory, or type of clothing. Step 16. Thrift shopping. Look for high-quality pieces at thrift stores or consignment shops. You can find unique items for a fraction of the price. Step 17. Skincare routine. Healthy, glowing skin always looks expensive. Invest time in a good skincare routine. Step 18. Organize your wardrobe. Keep your wardrobe neat and organized. This helps you see what you have and make better outfit choices. Step 19. Avoid overbranding. Logos and brand names can sometimes cheapen a look. Go for subtlety and let the quality of the item speak for itself. Step 20. Confidence is key. Wear your clothes with confidence. Believing you look good is the most important part of looking good. By following these tips, you can achieve an expensive and elegant look without breaking the bank. Focus on timeless pieces, proper grooming, and confidence to always look your best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Glow Up Guide for more health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below on your favorite weight loss foods or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.